Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a drop shadow in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe as this really helps me out. So open up the image that you want to add a shadow to. Then we're going to click onto the image, and then in the top left hand side we're going to click onto the edit tab. This will open up a bar on the left hand side and offers you loads of different tools and filters that you can use on your image to make it stand out. So we're going to scroll right to the bottom and you should see a section that says shadows. So I'm going to click on see all. So you can add like the basic drop shadow where you can see it gives the line a little bit of a shadow outline on one side. And the one I really like is the backdrop shadow. It gives like a real life shadow. You can even edit this shadow so you can increase the blur higher or lower. You can even change the direction of the shadow, which is really cool. So you can even change the intensity as well. Do you want it a bit darker, a bit lighter? And you can even change the colour of the shadow. Do you want the shadow to be something a bit different, like red or green or pink? There's just so many edits you can do with Canva. It really is just one of the best graphic design tools. So that's it. That's how to add a drop shadow to your images in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.